Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser crashing issues in 2026. If Zen Browser keeps closing unexpectedly, freezing, or crashing while browsing, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, restart your computer and launch Zen Browser again. Temporary system glitches can often cause browsers to crash unexpectedly. Next, make sure Zen Browser is updated to the latest version. Browser updates frequently include bug fixes, security patches, and stability improvements. Now check your installed extensions and disable any recently added or unnecessary ones. Faulty extensions are a common cause of browser crashes. Next, clear your browser cache and browsing data. Corrupted files can sometimes cause performance and stability issues. Now close unnecessary tabs and background applications to free up memory and system resources. If the issue continues, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software to check whether it's interfering with the browser. Next, make sure your operating system is fully updated and compatible with the latest browser version. Now try opening Zen Browser in troubleshooting or safe mode if that option is available. Next, create a new browser profile to determine whether the problem is related to corrupted user data. Finally, if crashes continue, uninstall Zen Browser completely and reinstall a fresh copy from the official source. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Zen Browser crashing issues. Your browser should now run more smoothly and remain stable during everyday use. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser crashing issues in 2026. If Zen Browser keeps closing